Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. I have a box from Fashom to open today and it's been sitting in my home for a little bit over a month. You know, it really didn't matter that I have been on camera for 4 years. Trying clothes on as someone who's plus size is a lot harder than some might think. You know, I know some girls are brave and they don't care, but for me personally, it was a little petrifying, and I do want to say thank you to the team at Fashom because they have been above and beyond sweet working with me. If you're not familiar with Fashom, here's how it works. You first take a styling quiz, and you guys, this quiz is absolutely thorough. It's thorough to the point where me and my stylist had a video conference on the phone to make sure that everything I wanted, she understood. And, you know, we were back and forth until she came down to a certain amount of items, and it's like 7 or 8. And then you pick 5 that are going to be sent to you. From that, you keep what you love. It's free shipping and returns and no subscription. That's the nice thing about this box, because a lot of times, you know, you get these boxes and, you know, there comes another one and you're like, I was not expecting it this month, but with this one, just cancel anytime you want. It does come, look at this, it has a little thank you. Inside of the little envelope, you get a little printout of all the prices and all the items. Inside, this is what it looks like. The first top I pulled out is by Gilli, and the original price for this top is $56. It's a little bit sheer right here, but it's a nice flowy top. It has a 3/4 sleeve. So we'll see how I like it. It looks like something I definitely might like. Then we got MonoB, and it's a super cute jacket. A Lila denim jacket, $56. I think that's not bad for a beautiful black denim jacket here. And I think it might look nice with that leopard print one. Then we have a cozy sweater. You guys, you know I'm a little late with this box, but it is Chicago and it is 20 degrees out there. So this is going to be worn this week if I keep this one. And it is a beautiful, oh my goodness, look at the sleeve. I am absolutely loving this sleeve on this one. And it's by Cozy Casual. This is $62. This is the most expensive out of all of them. And oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning. The colors are exactly what I told her I liked. I told her I like neutral and beautiful colors like this. And then with the same neutral color, look at this one. Very flowy. I think this looks so cozy and comfy. And so this one originally is $42, 15% off $35. And then if you keep the whole box, it's going to be $29. It's absolutely just lovely. Very beautiful top. And then the last one is this one. And oh my goodness, it is a zebra print. The fabric, I'm going a little nuts for the fabric. I want to see what the contents of this fabric is because it's so soft and absolutely beautiful. So this top is 64 polyester, 34% rayon, and 3% spandex. Oh, you guys, it is the softest thing ever. Loving this one. All right, let's go try these on. Since I have all tops, I'm just wearing some black leggings. They will match pretty much everything I have here. So I'm going to start with the first one, and I like how comfortable it is. The neckline right here is a really good drop. It's not too high, it's not too low, but it's a beautiful drop on the neck. In the back, it covers my behind really nicely, and it's just comfortable to wear. What do you guys think? I think it's a nice comfy top that's perfect for that transition between winter and spring because it's on the thinner side. So I think I really like this one. This is a super cute jacket. I think the sleeves are a perfect length. Now I'm 5'2", so if I stand straight, do you see my fingers right here? It's kind of big, but if I do one of these where you just kind of pull it up and straighten it out, it's actually not bad. And I can definitely, you know, go shopping like this and walk around like this. I like where it hits in the back. It feels so comfortable and super cute. Has a little bit of a stretch on here so you can button it up if you want. But I think overall it's an adorable denim jacket. I like the fact that I can wear this with a warm top, cool top. Denim jackets are always something you want in your closet. So I don't have a black one. I'm thinking I might just keep this one. What do you guys think? I think overall it is super adorable. Here is the next one. So far, out of the items I tried, I'm just like giggly over this one because of the sleeves, of course. Check out these sleeves. I can't, I just can't. Here is why I also love it. It has block colors, and as someone who's plus size, you want it to be a little darker here, but you want, you know, you want some bright colors. This is a perfect way to do it. It brightens up my face, and I love the fact that it's ivory right here, then goes black and this beautiful tan color throughout. Let me know how you think it looks on me, because I'm absolutely in love with this sweater. Besides the fact that it's, I think, designed in a genius way, the colors are my favorite. I love the black and white combo, and I love this kind of camel color that they have on here. It is so adorable. I cannot get over the sleeves, you guys. I just keep on just looking at the sleeves. I'm gonna be walking around in this sweater at home, looking at the sleeves. I love them. It's so cute, so adorable. Here's the thing, guys. When you're plus size, you buy clothes to hide things and to look nice. But to get something or to see something where it makes you just smile, like these sleeves right here, it's everything to me, because I just feel like I haven't had a piece of clothing that I got this excited about in a very long time. So the next sweater is this V-neck, and this is a between season kind of a top because it is on the sheer side a little bit, but I thought it was 3/4 sleeve, but I'm 5'2", and look at this, it's fitting me perfectly. And as I said, with these type of sweaters, I love them because you can wear them in fall, in that transition winter spring kind of, and with this color, you can wear this anywhere, anytime, because it's just so neutral. So if you want to warm up, just wear something warm underneath. And for, you know, lighter days, you can definitely just wear a tank top underneath and you're good to go. It covers my bum nicely, I think. And that is what I asked my stylist to do. I asked my stylist to make sure that, you know, the sweaters kind of cover me in my behind area, because I want to be comfortable. I want to run around with this. You know, whatever I'm doing, I want to be comfy. And so she did. She picked so far everything I absolutely love. So what do you guys think? I think this one is a yes for me too. It's comfy. It's a perfect beige color. Love it. Absolutely love it. Here is the zebra top. It is the most comfortable thing you will ever feel. Just so you have an idea, it is just so beautiful, so soft. You guys, it is so soft. Neckline, not in the way of anything, feels okay on the neckline. Sleeves are perfection. As I said, I'm 5'2", look at this. Sleeves are just perfect, absolutely stunningly perfect for me. In the back, pretty much covers the bum over there, but it's a little tighter right here, but that's okay, because I feel like I can definitely get away with this. And if I lose a little bit more weight, which I'm in my journey of losing weight, and I told my stylist, like, I want things to kind of work with me as I'm losing weight, and I think this one would be one of those tops that would be perfect in about another 10-15 pounds, where it's just going to lay really nicely on me. And I don't know, I think it brightens my face up because of the light colors. I don't know, I'm liking it. I'm absolutely in love with this one too, you guys. I don't know. I think it might be 5 for 5. But you know what? That tells you something about your stylist. Because these people are on the other side of the line somewhere, not knowing exactly what you look like, what you would look good in. But because we had so much communication and we even had a video conference, that works in just the whole process with Fashom. It was amazing, you guys. So I'm telling you, if you haven't tried Fashom, give them a try, because I'm telling you, this is 5 for 5 for me. If it wasn't the sleeve, it was the color, it was a transition top. This top is a good example of a transition piece that she got me, because it looks good right now. When I lose weight, it's going to look even better. And a lot of the sweaters she got me, they're very kind of comfy, loosey sweaters, and they would look fabulous for another 20-30 pounds, which is really perfect for me for right now. So I'm excited, and I am thinking of keeping all 5 because it works. I am definitely happy with my box. In the comments below, please let me know which top you felt I looked the best in, because I absolutely loved all 5 of them. But definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell and the subscribe button, and of course, please like this video. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, my friends. Mwah.